So to start with 2D design, what we need to do is we need to set up our page size. So for this activity, we want to work on an A3 size piece of paper. So what we do is we come up here and we click up on the setup. Under drawings, we can see the layout option. We're going to click on layout, and under here we have standard size, and you can see that it is already set for an A3 size. So we are happy with that. Now that we know that the size is A3, we can click OK, and we can now start working. So the first thing that we recommend when using 2D design is to look at the block on the right hand side, and you can see that there are two functions. We have our grid lock and we have a step lock. We recommend that you make use of the grid lock option. I'll show you why. If I just take a normal line and I decide to draw the line and I've got it straight like that, and now I want to continue drawing a box, I come down, I'm going to continue with the box, okay, and now I'm going to go from here and go up. I can now see, because those lines there on the sides are squiggly and at the bottom it is squiggly, it's showing that the line isn't straight. So that can become a problem when you are trying to draw or fill that shape. Because if there is a slight gap, then your coloring will go outside of the box and color your whole page, which is not what we want. So let me go through and delete these items. And now that when I go grid lock, I can now see, if I select a line, we can see that I can't go in between those four squares. It just jumps to those four dots. If I go to the step lock option, you can see here I can put the cursor in between. If I switch to grid lock, I can't. So that allows us to make a more accurate drawing shape. So the first thing I want to do is I want to create a square border on my page. I come down here and I click on the shapes button and then draw a horizontal rectangle, which is what I want. So I'm going to start at that top dot there. I'm going to go all the way across and then all the way down to make my rectangle. So there we go. I've created a border. So that is our basic drawing of a square shape along with how to set up the page.